back to my channel. And for those who don't know me, I am PURBI Ajmera. I make videos on food, DIY, lifestyle and so much. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. As you all know that the Vogue challenge is viral all over the internet, and so I decided to give it a shot as well. And I clicked photographs in different costumes and then edited it with the Vogue template, and I'm very excited to show you all how it turned out. And I'll also be showing a tutorial how to edit the pictures with the template, so you can try it out as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this picture, I am wearing a basic tee and denim jacket over it, and my backdrop consists of various denim shorts, pants, all the denims. And this is a very fun picture and was clicked using the phone only, no cameras, no professional cameras. And here's how it turned out. And if you like the picture, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends as well. So let's see the picture. Coming up with another picture, I am wearing a long skirt and a very basic crop top with it. And this picture, it is a very raw picture, like it consists of all the rocks. The background is very raw, cementy, and I really liked how the picture turned out. And here's the tutorial on how I edited the picture along with the Vogue template, and you can see the final picture as well. So coming up with the last picture, it is a very minimalistic picture and there is nothing much to say about it, and you can see the picture up on the screen. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on the notification bell if you haven't till yet, and stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.